Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a custom ARC line in Photoshop. First of all, create a new layer and select the pen tool. Right click on your mouse, select pen tool, shape, fill, do not use fill, and stroke or line color. Select your line color. I use this color. Then make your custom ARC line. Hold, hold, alter, click for remove. Hold, alter. Okay. Apply the same formula. Okay. And apply another way to ARC custom line. Simply create a new layer. ARC line size. Hold shift or straight line. Then right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Then go to edit tab, puppet work, click and draw it. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.